Blessed day to you, Mom and Sir. I hope you're doing well today. Let me introduce myself. My name is Chadama Teha, 36 years old, single from the Philippines. I am a licensed teacher with a degree in AB English, and I've been working with children for many years, both as a teacher and as a nanny tutor. I have over 12 years of experience in different fields, but my favorite role has always been working with kids. I taught in a primary school for 3 years, and I also cared for a 7-year-old child where I helped with daily routines, homework, and fun learning activities. Right now, I am a private tutor teaching kids of different ages through one-on-one lessons. I am responsible, patient, and I love creating a warm, safe, and a happy environment for children to grow and learn. I am excited about the possibility of working with your family and supporting your child's development both academically and personally. By the way, I am also a huge animal lover, so it won't be a problem for me to care for a home with pets. Thank you very much for your time, and I look forward to meeting you soon. Have a good day again, and take care always. Bye!